Welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to make a presentation with the help of Google Gemini. So what we'll do first is go to the ChatGPT and ask it for a presentation which can tell Gemini what type of presentation do we need. First of all, I have a written prompt, so it tells ChatGPT that write me a prompt for the Google Gemini. I want to create a presentation using Google Gemini, write a detailed prompt that I can paste into Gemini and like details of the presentation, what type of presentation do we need. After that, we will send it to the GPT and just wait for a while. Here is the prompt which we can just copy here. It's generating and detailing all the slides, each slide. Alright, so now we can copy this prompt and go to the Google Gemini first, paste this here and go to the tools, select the canvas. So now it has all the details about the presentation what we need. And if you want this prompt, so I can send you in the DM, just write a prompt in the comments. Alright, so let's do it first. Now Gemini will collect all the data about AI in education topic, and it's writing all things, and it will generate slides for us. We have to wait for a few minutes until it gets ready. So if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel, and I have a Facebook group as well where I shared about different AI models. Actually, I'm a student right now and I'm learning AI. So if you want to become a part of it as well, so you can follow me and we can learn it together. I shared about different models and different prompts on my Facebook group. So you can share your ideas and share your posts as well in it. The name of it is Learn AI Models and Prompt Engineering on the Facebook. If you want the link of it, you can get it in the description. So let's wait for a few minutes until it gets ready. Alright, so I'm back again, and here is your presentation. Actually, we give it a prompt for make the 15 slides, but it has added to extra slides of the pictures. So let's see. First, this is the first page, AI in education, how artificial intelligence is changing learning. And you can write your name here and give it a prompt again. Okay, let's see what it has made. Okay, the tech revolution. What is artificial intelligence? AI in your everyday life. Wow, it seems like really beautiful, and you can present in your classroom or wherever you want. So the key benefits of AI: personalized learning, instant feedback, global access. See, it has added the pictures as well, made the graph, and a lot of things. Meet your AI assistant, how chatbots help answer questions about any school subject instantly, and many things. Okay, so essential AI tools for students. So you can just customize this prompt. You can write your topic here, the topic which you want to write, make the slides about, and here you can write what do you want the slides for, and do some changings in this prompt as well. So simply we can download this also. Okay, we have downloaded it and it will be in our the folder. So that's all for today, and if you want this slides as well, I can share it with you. Just write slides in the comment. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching, and stay connected until we make the new videos and learn the AI, how it helps us in daily life. Thank you so much. Take care, all of you, and subscribe my channel.